Namaskar. Now we shall learn logical operators in Python. Whenever we say logical means, that means something which returns true or false. Actually, all conditions which are given in Python are supposed to return true or false, and logical operators combine many Boolean conditions. Whenever we call many Boolean conditions and return further Boolean result. Actually, logical operators are basically for combining multiple conditions together, so that whatever condition is there, it can further return, a mix of conditions can return true or false, right? So simply x is assigned to 10, y is assigned to 20. So x is equal to 10 means x when compared to 10 is 10. And y is equal to 10 means these are two conditions. This condition returns true, equal to 10 is there, y equal to 20 means it returns true, and when both are combined, they both return true. So it basically there is this AND will be called logical operator, right? So we can say that it evaluates both the expression. Okay. Now similarly, when x is equal to 10 and not 20, y is not equal to 20, that means this condition is true, but this condition is not true. But in this case, even if one condition is true, because OR is given, so this will still return true. So evaluate second condition or second expression only if first is false. If this is false, then this will evaluate this also. So OR is here the logical operator. Now there is another logical operator which is NOT. So this is further, actually NOT is having we told you earlier that NOT is a unary operator. That means it works on this entire expression. So if this condition inside is true, which is true we have seen earlier, and we make it not, that means this whole condition will now become false. So let us run this: true, true, false, false. So these basically we have three types of logical operators in Python: AND, OR and NOT. AND and OR are binary operators because they work on two operands, and NOT works on one single operand. This is the operand for NOT. So we have two types of operators in logical operators: AND, OR and NOT. Remember that in other languages we have symbols like this and this for OR. Where is it? This for OR. But in this case we do not have symbols. We write fully AND, OR and NOT, right? We can understand it through AI also. So this AI will explain the whole program to me first, and wherever this condition has been there, at least one of the conditions, then NOT conditions, this at least case is OR case, right? This AND case is if both conditions are true, and this is third one is the NOT case. This is NOT case, and we have given explain all logical operators in Python. So the AND operator, the OR operator, the NOT operator. You should try these kind of things yourself. And if you want to ask anything to me, please do write in comments. Please do give your feedback in comments. Thank you.